for?
Yeah, well, there's more rolls you can do, and it's more fun
On the clip?
in a larger group. And there's a
This?
system to play. So, like, oh, that's awesome.
Be able to pull all.
So it's a lot of fun to play, like, in a bigger group. So we're just looking for people that would, once a month.
3 pieces in that rod.
And they have a web system, so everything's done. Like, it's like some of the D&D sites where you log in, they've got the table already set up. You just pick a spot at the table, and there's mechanics because each night, depending on your role, like some people get information, some people can ask questions, some people there's a drunk mechanic where like if you're drunk, you listen. So like each night you get to talk to the storyteller, and the storyteller can tell you the role. You don't know if you're drunk, and you can lie about what your role is, and the evil team does lie, and the evil team finds out early on at the beginning. They find out 3 different roles that are not in play that they can bluff as. So they get a little bit of background, so they can say there are some things that could be in play, but they know it's not. So that way it's a safe bet for them. And and then like so the idea is each day you vote on who you're going to kill. And so you have and when you vote, like the person who nominates gets to say this is why I want to kill this person. And the other person gets to defend themselves and say this is why you shouldn't kill me. It's a lot of fun.
It's fun when you get like
what's that?
Label maker.
I do. Sorry, I was being chatty. Lila, where's the label maker?
What's that? What do you need?
You, Jet, or Dave, you said extra leaf. Is that what you need?
Well, first one that's in spare Wilson parts, one label.
I'm just going to put Wilson parts.
Perfect.
These are